All right, so once we've started with our isometric holds here, building up that lower back strength, and now that you have the confidence to do more, we're actually going to start going through range of motion here. Now, what you need to do though is we need to have this set up where we have a chair or something in front of us that allows us to do assisted reps. Okay, so we're going to have the same setup that we've been holding. From here, now we're going to go through assisted reps, meaning as I lower down, I could either have the help lowering down, and then especially on the way back up, I'm still utilizing my back to help pull me up, but I'm just having the hands help a little bit more. So obviously starting in a shorter range is going to be ideal. As I feel more comfortable, I can then go less weight and or less range of motion with full body, right? Once I build more confidence there, I can utilize a lower position, right? Where I'm still getting a little bit of help, but I'm primarily pulling up from posterior chain and back, and then again going into full back, and then obviously going lower and or going into full reps, right? Notice the reason I'm at my waist here, so I'm not bending my back. I'm not rounding. The back stays straight, just like I would with the deadlift, and then hammies, glutes, and back muscles are pulling up. So this is the next phase and step to build more and more confidence in the lower back muscles to generate the strength that we're looking for.